What's up? How are you guys? Today is August 4th, 2021, and our crypto market sentiment analysis today is 42, which is fear. Okay, let's go to the chart. Crypto index, descending channel here. Right now, on the 4-hour chart, I see the price is dropping from this ascending expanding wedge or channel here. Let's see if the price will bounce back to this level or it will continue to go down. Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, I posted this one August 2. I said it's going to rising wedge and this channel here, and it did. Right now it's going for a pullback, so let's see if the price will go somewhere here at 34,000. And Dogecoin, we talk about this, the price broke on this channel here, and it did. Shiba Inu, it's just price is just sideways. Aave, I see a channel here, descending channel. I broke on this channel already, but right now there's a channel too. So it yesterday it dropped, and right now it's pulling back. So we'll monitor the price. Compound, I see this ABC. I'm expecting this one will be the first wave. So one, two, and we're here. Let's see, but the price, let's monitor the price. But right now it's a green candle right now. Finance, I see this ascending expanding wedge, and right now wedge, the price broke already on this channel, but let's see if the price will go up. Let's see, let's monitor the price. CRV on triangle right now, it broke on this triangle right now. It's went for a pullback. Right now it's in green. Let's see, I think it will go up. Let's see, let's monitor the price for tomorrow. And KNC, it also broke on this. So right now it's going for a V formation, but let's see, let's monitor the price for tomorrow. And Litecoin, in right now, yeah, the price, and right now it's also creating a channel here. So the price drop already, going for a pullback. So let's see the price tomorrow. Matic broke on this trend line, and it created a channel here. Now the price drop. Right now it's going for a pullback. So let's see if the price will go down. SNX, like a triangle here, and right now it's right here. Sushi Swap, it's just doing on this, just doing support and resistance. Uniswap, it broke on this trend line. Right now it's creating a flag formation, but the price pop up now. We'll see if the price will go down tomorrow. We'll monitor the price because this is a bearish flag. So let's see if it will recover to go to the upside. ZRX created a descending channel, so we'll monitor the price drop on this channel, but it's creating a expanding ascending wedge. So I see the 1 2 3 4, it's like the price will go up. Our initial target for now is somewhere at 71 cents, 72 cents, because it could be a truncated fifth wave. Price for now, this is our target. After the 1 2 3 4 5, and Matic creating a channel right now, and the price did break to the downside, and right now it's having a pullback. So let's see, our initial target for now is 93 cents, 94 cents. So Ethereum and Bitcoin, I posted this one here actually, and our E is supposed to be here now. So 1 2 3 4, let's see if the fourth leg will before it finishes the fifth leg. This one is valid too. If the price go up already on the fifth leg, it's also valid. Ethereum on the monthly chart, 1 2 3 4 5. So right now, almost on the golden ratio. Guys, if you're holding Ethereum for the long term, don't worry. Right now we're still in August. The candle is green. So if you're holding Ethereum for the long run, if you're holding Ethereum, don't worry about it. We're still in the bull run. Okay, this is the one we Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Right now the price is somewhere here now. So let's see, the price is will reach somewhere here. The internet is very slow again. It's ago when I turn on my screen camera, it just. So anyway, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Just like and share my video. That's all I ask. And be blessed, guys. Take care. Bye bye.